I know. I know. I get it. It's been a minute. It's been a long minute. It's been a hot minute. But like, you know, I'm here. We're here. We're doing this. I haven't done a Halloween video in a long time, so we're doing this. I'm chilling with my girl right here. Becky with a good head. Sorry, that's probably going to be demonetized. But yeah, no, I'm chilling in the garden. I am using this. I got this from Amazon. Not sponsored. But I realized I did not record what I was wearing this past Friday. And I was like, oh, after I got done meal prepping, why not show you what I did? I actually took a comment, and I was actually contemplating on what I wanted to do with like videos, and I was like, you know what? Why not do a red She-Hulk? Why not? Why not do Betty Ross justice? Because she needs her justice. She needs to be seen, because she has not been seen since the early Incredible Hulks. I'm just saying, like, since we're, you know, doing the Red Hulk storyline, maybe throw a little Betsy Ross in there. I'm just saying. But I already combed out my crazy hair. I actually meal prepped today, and I did my coffee prepping, and I did all the prepping that I needed to do for the rest of the week. So that's what I've been doing. This entire summertime, I basically did a fast program of therapy, and I just basically like kind of just was with myself and my therapists. So, and I said therapists as because like there was two, but it's like I said, accelerated program. But yeah, I'm gonna turn myself into Red She-Hulk, so I'm just gonna do a fast. This was the fast entry of saying I'm sorry for reneging on my original saying that I was gonna keep on coming out. I'm here though. I am here now. Like, I just wanted to take the summertime off and just like be with myself. But here I am creating Halloween tutorials again, and you know, as they say, better late than never. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn myself into her. So you can't really see the color, I'm noticing now, but I don't know if I gotta shake this up more, because like on Friday it was red, like, oh, like you can see it coming out like red, but is it coming, like, am I tripping? Like, it's very toxic, so like if you can find anything more. I should have had a fan. Oh, it was better on Friday. But we're gonna keep on going. I realized that I did not show you what I was using. So I'm using this. It's Athena painting palettes. This is what I'm using. I'm using the red one, but like when I made this impulsive buy, I thought it came with brushes. It did not, so I'm forced to use what I use for my skincare routine brush, and I'm like, you know what, we're just gonna make do. We're just gonna make do with what we have and continue on. And that's what you gotta do in life, make do with what you have and just keep on pushing on. I am adding the finishing touches of the color red and I am gonna add some dimensions, and yeah, this is the look. I was gonna go in and like paint my body like I did with the actual She-Hulk like in my last video, but I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that because it was a lot to get that paint off. And this right here, you need to get the hair dye hair removal or hair dye removal from like Sally's or any place that sells hair stuff. Like this is the wash. You gotta wash this off without using that skin dye, skin stuff, like to take it off. You gotta wash it like 6 times off your face. Not even joking. Like this is some good stuff. I got it off Amazon for like, it was during their deal days. I think I got it for $14 because I am always looking for a deal because deals are great. And I actually got the skin suit from Amazon for also $14. The pants I actually already have and they were already ripped up. The tank top also I already have. So yeah, so this outfit was basically $28. So I thought I heard something screaming. I was like, what the fuck? That's some crazy ass shit. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue on with my face. The video, it was not too much of a talking video, just me getting ready. I figured, I was just like, this is basically what I wore on Friday night to win a Halloween contest. So yeah, I was She-Hulk, red She-Hulk, Betty Ross. I will insert a clip somewhere around here so you can see who I'm talking about. I don't know if you're big into comics, but yeah, this is what I wore though on Friday. Yeah, I basically did not zip her all the way up. Ooh, sorry, homie. Knocked off my girl's hat. But I didn't zip it all the way up because it is a bitch. and technically it's a skin suit, so like it has a head part, and like if I zip it all the way up I feel claustrophobic, especially with my hair. I've been growing my hair a lot, but like, yeah, I figured it just wouldn't. And like, I feel like the color isn't picking up like it was on Friday. Like I don't know why. Like, it's kind of slightly annoying, but you know, we're here. It's fine. We just did a prank video, so it's kind of like an update slash like welcome to Halloween type of thing. I'm gonna do some more like probably decorations videos for the month of October, so stay tuned for that. Definitely have a bunch of ideas for Halloween videos, like for costumes, DIYs, and like you can't really tell, but I kind of like did like some fingerless parts of this skin suit. I call it skin suit, but like I don't know what else to call it. A jumper, like I don't know, a romper. Like it's like it has a head part to it, but like I took the fingertips off, so like if I need to like press something I can, because like you definitely, like there's no way you can, there's this thing, it keeps you warm. Like if you're a cold person, I'm gonna link all the things that was used in this video, but like if you are a cold person during Halloween, this is definitely gonna keep you warm. Like it's going to keep you warm, especially if you zip it all the way up. Like it's gonna keep you, like it literally feels like another skin suit. Like I don't know what else to call it. Like but hopefully this video doesn't get demonetized, but if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. I'm definitely coming back with more videos. I just, like I said, I had to take a time off just to be with myself, and like, yeah, but I have some more DIYs, some cheap videos of making Halloween work for you, and if you want to look at my also like meal prepping, let me know. I will show you what I be meal prepping for the week. Every single week is something different for myself, but yeah, let me know if you want that. All right, well, you guys have a great night. Talk to you guys later.